Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I'm actually just leaving the gym for today, and one of the things I wanted to talk to you guys about is guaranteed auto protection. And guaranteed auto protection, which is gap insurance, is one of the things I didn't have when I first financed my Chrysler 300S about 3 or 4 years ago. I put down about two grand, I would say. Put down $2,000 because it got me to the monthly payments I wanted to pay each month. So that's why I only put down $2,000. With me putting down $2,000, of course, it was way less than that 20%, which is recommended that you put down on any car that you buy. So thankfully, I never got into like any bad accidents or anything like that, because it would have left me in a negative equity in which I would have had to come out of pocket myself and pay that negative equity so that it wouldn't roll over into any other next loan that I got with the next car that I decided to get if something happened to my 300. So now I want to give the example of in the future, maybe in like a year or 2 years, I don't know. I definitely want to look into getting a Jeep Trackhawk. I haven't test drove it yet or anything yet, but I've seen a few people in it, seen it on the highway, and it seems like a beast, which I already know it is, and something I'm thinking about getting. So let's say I try to go get that Jeep Trackhawk today. After taxes and everything, it comes out to about $100,000. Now, as much as we love cars, that Jeep is a depreciating asset. It's going to drop about 10 to 15% as soon as I drive off the lot with it. So that's going to put the car at about $85,000. $85,000. Let's say $85,000. I still owe $100,000. I still got $100,000 loan on it. And let's say it's a month later, and I probably maybe made the first payment on it. It goes down, let's say it goes down to what, 99,000, 98,000, something like that. So let's say I get into an accident a month later as well. I get into an accident and it totals the whole entire car. Insurance values the car right now at $80,000. So let's take that $100,000 and then take that $80,000 or let's take that $98,000. Because the payments on a Trackhawk is going to be about, if you're not putting too much money down, it's going to be probably like $2,000 a month. So let's take that $98,000. You made your first payment, so is that $98,000, and your insurance company, Geico, State Farm, whoever it might be, they're valuing the car at $80,000. So 98,000 minus 80,000, what is that? 18,000? 18,000 in negative equity that you owe on that Trackhawk. So me personally, I don't want to take out 18,000 out of my savings to pay for a depreciating asset. So what do, people? You make sure you purchase gap insurance. If you purchase that gap insurance, you will be protected on that car. You will be protected on that loan that you have out on it. So make sure that you guys, when you're buying a new or used car, make sure and you're not putting down too much. You're not putting down too much money on the car, because typically if you have good credit, sometimes you're not required to put down a lot of money. And if it's in your price range, when you do the math on the monthly payments and everything, sometimes you can save that down payment money and go invest it. If you're big into investing in stocks and stuff like that, like myself, you can go put it towards an investment. You can go put it towards, if you're into real estate, you can go put it towards like flipping a home. It's a lot of different scenarios, but sometimes you might look at that as an option. You might want to take that money and use it for a down payment for something. So, my thing is, overall, make sure you get that gap insurance, man, because it's going to save you in the long run, to make sure you don't have to come out of your savings and You know, make sure you don't have to take that negative equity on to another loan or another car you can get. Because, if the situation did happen like that, hey, I crashed and totaled out that Trackhawk. Now I can go get me another one. And I'm free from that last loan, and I'm not, left with any negative equity. I can go get another car and don't have to think about the headache of that $18,000. So that's all I wanted to say. Anybody who's subscribed to me or anybody who's just looking at this video, make sure you get that gap insurance, man. And appreciate everybody for watching. Continue to subscribe. I got more videos coming talking about a lot of other stuff when it comes to car buying, credit, all that stuff, man. Just make sure y'all stay subscribed. Y'all have a blessed day.